to see if I can get it. It's all the way in. Nothing else. Roofing nail. Wow, wow, wow. We got a hotel room last night, and I'm glad we did, because it gave us the right surface on which to repair my back tire. Well, it's a sunny morning here in Kentucky, and I'm getting ready, and turns out I have picked up a nail in my tire. So, Spike and I are going to repair it. All right, let's check the tire pressure. .38, dead on, so it's not leaking. How am I going to get it out? No, I thought maybe I'd use a screwdriver first to see if I can get it. It's all the way in. Nothing else. Roofing nail. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's a good long one. Look at that. I have here my Dyna plug system. So let's give that a shot. All right. That's enough. That's how it's supposed to work. That was actually easier than I thought. All right, I think it's done. Okay, it's an hour later, and you can see the plug is there. I'm going to cut it off in a second after I pour some water on it. So, there is no bubbles at all. It is holding. What a day. If it's going to get a flat tire, might as well be on a sunny day at a motel. We got on the road around 10 o'clock and it was already 25 degrees in Prestonsburg. Strike a match in a hurricane, kiss the rosary. This was the first time that I've ever had a puncture in all the years that I've been riding. I'm sure that we did a good job with the repair, but knowing that I was running on a patched tire induced some anxiety. I was happy to be following a slow car when we reached the first set of twisties. Our ride today alternated between great mountain roads and valleys that were dotted with coal mines and coal mining towns, all of which were fascinating and gave this beautiful area its charm. Windswept hills, Arizona plains, I worship at the altar of a parlor game. This burden weighs the time. This bridge is symbolic of my experience in West Virginia. It seems to me that the world has passed over West Virginia, and the mountains, the traditional industries, and the people have been left behind and forgotten. It's bittersweet because the natural beauty of this area will benefit from less industry and fewer polluters, but the old towns and their people are struggling.
Even if it kills me, I'm gonna find a way out of here. Even if it kills me and my faith is turning into fear. Even if it kills me, kills me.
I called this trip the Tale of the Dragon Tour. I should have called it the tour of all of the roads that I liked even more than the Tail of the Dragon, even though I liked that road a lot.
Even if it kills me, I'm gonna find a way out of here. Even if it kills me and my faith is turning into fear. Even if it kills me, kills me, kills me, kills me. Even if it kills me, kills me.
I cannot overstate how great the roads are in this part of West Virginia. You can ride unbelievably beautiful roads, full of twisties, with no traffic, and no one trying to sell you an overpriced t-shirt to commemorate your ride.
Under the blood-stained sky, running out of places left to hide. This life of sin catching up real quick, and I'm lucky to be alive. Under the blood-stained sky, looking for the devil in disguise. Cursed like my kin, never meant to win, and I'm lucky to be alive. So tonight I must escape this place. Filled with anger and with hate, this place, this place. Maybe I'm just depraved, trying to make it out of here unscathed. I've paid my dad's kiss, the love I left, and I know that I can't be saved. Maybe I'm just depraved.
We rode all day on amazing roads. We had lunch in Bradshaw, West Virginia. Originally, we'd stopped at a local restaurant, but one of the customers told us that the regular cook was off and the guy filling in does an awful job. So he directed us to the Subway at the gas station. This is an example of the friendliness of these small towns. People were super happy to see visitors and were very interested in speaking to a couple of Canadian bikers. Our bikes were as big an attraction as our license plate because the majority of the bikes around here are Harley Davidsons.
The devil and me, thick as thieves, and I'm blessed with a brutal sense of grace. Not much has changed, just an empty chase. After all these years, I still can't shake that I've been blessed.
West Virginia is absolutely beautiful, and the roads are as amazing as those anywhere in the Appalachian Mountains. But I was most fascinated by the many small towns in the valleys. They were often squeezed between the road and a river or a railway, and sometimes both. Often they were bookended by a coal mine. Some were nice, but most were just shells of their past lives.
Desperado, sitting in an old Monte Carlo, a man whose heart is hollow. Oh, take it easy. I'm not trying to go against you. Actually, I'm going with you. Gotta get up out of here and you ain't leaving me behind. I know you won't, cause we share common interests. You need me, there ain't no leaving me behind. Never know, no, I just want out of here. Yeah, once I'm gone, ain't no going back. If you want, we could be runaways, running from any side of love. Yeah, there ain't nothing here for me. There ain't nothing here for me.
We continued eastward until we passed through Bluefield, Virginia, and found a great campsite at the Stony Fork National Forest. We had just set up our tents and hung our tarp over the picnic table when the skies opened up and soaked everything. We're expecting rain all night and into tomorrow. I love you all. Good night from Virginia. Go forth with an open mind and most importantly an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish.
Behind.